in astounded jubilation. Take every breath in gratitude. Rejoice in life. A hearty welcome to everyone to this spectacular day. The galaxy of honorable guests, dear teachers, respected parents, and our beloved students. How beautiful is this day! Dear audience, you will eventually discover the beauty of this day as the event gradually starts to blossom, as this day marks the jubilation day for mid-exams. Prayer is the key of the morning and the bolt of the evening. Now it is time to invoke the blessings of the Almighty with a prayer song.
My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do. My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do. The rivers are His, the mountains are His, the stars are His handiworks too. My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do. My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do. My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do. He's called you to live for Him every day, in all that you say and you do. My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do.
Dance is the hidden language of the soul. We have Revantika of class 5 to commemorate the Almighty with the dance. Thank you, Revantika, for the graceful performance. It's a glad welcome we bring to you this evening, filled with hopes and dreams we all share. Without further ado, I call forth Raksha Rajesh of Class 5 to welcome our honorable guests and parents to this marvelous celebration.
Small cheers and great welcome makes a merry feast. Success is the sum of small efforts being repeated day in and day out. I take immense pleasure in extending a very warm welcome to everyone to this very momentous occasion of Jubilation Day of Velamal Bodhi Campus, Kolapakam. I express my heartfelt gratitude to the blessings of our chairman under whom this program is initiated. We welcome our Director Sir and Director Ma'am for their continued support and guidance. We extend a hearty welcome to our school heads who are the source of encouragement and are always ready to offer the best learning environment for students. Hearty welcome to you all. Next, we take pride in welcoming our teaching staff for their continued guidance and being child-friendly mothers. Welcome, dear teachers. This incredible ceremony would not be possible if not for all the parents. I take pride in and pleasure in welcoming each and every parents gathered here to make this day more special. Hearty welcome, parents. Last but certainly not the least, I extend a very warm welcome to my friends, the proud students of Velamal Bodhi Campus, Kolapakam. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Thank you, Raksha. I request our primary headmistress, Vijaya ma'am, to address the august gathering.
Good evening, Senior HM ma'am, ACO, HODs, teachers, parents, and my dear students. We are happy to announce that a program to honor achievers in the following categories: 360 and above out of 400, top 3 ranks, subject-wise segments. Senior HM will now honor these students by awarding e-certificates to them. Thank you all for your online presence.
Now I call upon Renisha ma'am to call out the names of jubilant winners of grade 3.
Miss Ansika Phyllis of Class 3F has secured first rank with a score of 398 on 400. Miss Dia of Class 3E has secured second rank with a score of 392 on 400. Miss Leah of Class 3B has secured third rank with a score of 390 on 400. Miss Shanmati of Class 3D has secured third rank with a score of 390 on 400. Master Sri Vijay of Class 3F has secured third rank with a score of 390 on 400. Miss Sahana of Class 3C has secured 388 on 400. Miss Zara Diana of Class 3C has secured 388 on 400. Miss Sanjana of Class 3D has secured 386 on 400. Miss Jonisha of Class 3E has secured 386 on 400. Master Darsharun Prasad of Class 3A has secured 384 on 400. Master Akshat Balasubramani of Class 3C has secured 384 on 400. Master Harish of Class 3F has secured 384 on 400. Master Ebin T. Joji of Class 3A has secured 382 on 400. Miss Meghashri of Class 3B has secured 380 on 400. Master Samuel Devraj of Class 3C has secured 380 on 400. Master Keshav of Class 3B has secured 378 on 400. Miss Samartha of Class 3C has secured 378 on 400. Miss Sanjana of Class 3D has secured 378 on 400. Master Dev of Class 3E has secured 378 on 400. Master Daksh of Class 3A has secured 378 on 400. Miss Felicia Smith Farheen of Class 3A has secured 376 on 400. Miss Lakshana of 3B has secured 376 on 400. Master Gautam of Class 3C has secured 376 on 400. Miss Samantha of Class 3C has secured 376 on 400. Master Dakshan Balaji of Class 3D has secured 376 on 400. Master Lohit Darshan of Class 3E has secured 376 on 400. Master Harshiv of Class 3F has secured 376 on 400. Miss Mritula of Class 3C has secured 374 on 400. Master Alan P. Cyril of Class 3A has secured 372 on 400. Miss Subiksha of Class 3B has secured 372 on 400. Master Rishi of Class 3D has secured 372 on 400. Master Kishal of 3E has secured 372 on 400. Miss Lara of Class 3E has secured 372 on 400. Master Kabilan of Class 3F has secured 372 on 400. Master Pranav Chandrasekhar of Class 3F has secured 372 on 400. Miss Yarini of Class 3F has secured 372 on 400. Miss Hema Varshini of Class 3D has secured 370 on 400. Miss Sahasra Shri of Class 3D has secured 370 on 400. Miss Sri Dakshini of Class 3D has secured 370 on 400. Master Sai Sarvesh of Class 3D has secured 368 on 400. Master Siddharth of Class 3E has secured 368 on 400. Master Srinivas of Class 3E has secured 368 on 400. Master Jeev Mahiyaki of Class 3F has secured 368 on 400. Master Akshay Kumar of Class 3B has secured 366 on 400. Master Ashwin of Class 3C has secured 366 on 400. Master Vivin of Class 3E has secured 366 on 400. Miss Jaitra of Class 3E has secured 366 on 400. Miss Kanishka of Class 3E has secured 366 on 400. Master Varun Vishwa of Class 3F has secured 366 on 400. Miss Sanjeevni of Class 3C has secured 364 on 400. Master Abhinav of Class 3D has secured 364 on 400. Miss Dikshita of Class 3D has secured 364 on 400. Master Mahaprasad of Class 3E has secured 364 on 400. Master Vibhisan of Class 3E has secured 364 out of 400. Master Niranjan of Class 3F has secured 364 out of 400. Master Sai Lalit Kurapati of Class 3A has secured 362 on 400. Miss Anika of Class 3A has secured 362 on 400. Miss Shridula of Class 3A has secured 362 on 400. Miss Aditi of Class 3C has secured 362 on 400. Master Dwarikesh of Class 3E has secured 362 on 400. Miss Diksha of Class 3E has secured 362 on 400. Master Gideon of Class 3A has secured 360 on 400. Master Ananda Kannan of Class 3D has secured 360 on 400. Miss Jia Shri of Class 3D has secured 360 on 400. Miss Magir Vadani of Class 3D has secured 360 on 400. Miss Ananya Christiana of Class 3E has secured 360 on 400. Thank you.
I request Monisha ma'am to call out the names of the students of grade 4 who have made us proud.
Miss Jeevashri of 4C has secured first rank with the score of 400. Miss Ananya C of 4D has secured first rank with the score of 400. Miss Logadarshini of 4C has secured second rank with the score of 398. Miss Sri Varshita of 4D has secured second rank with the score of 398. Miss Harini V of 4E has secured second rank with the score of 398. Miss Sahana Kartikeyan of 4E has secured second rank with the score of 398. Miss Vivita of 4E has secured second rank with the score of 398. Master Jitin Dishesh of 4B has secured third rank with the score of 396. Miss Daksham Sharin of 4C has secured third rank with the score of 396. Miss Nitika G of 4C has secured third rank with the score of 396. Miss Ubashna of 4D has secured third rank with the score of 396. Miss Satvika of 4E has secured third rank with the score of 396. Master Girish of 4B has secured 394 out of 400. Master Swarup Kumaramangalam of 4B has secured 394 out of 400. Miss Prajna of 4C has secured 394 out of 400. Master Chidambaram of 4D has secured 394 out of 400. Master Shravan of 4E has secured 394 out of 400. Miss Anne Deborah Pauline of 4E has secured 394 out of 400. Miss Petrina Rosario of 4E has secured 394 out of 400. Master Vasiharan of 4B has secured 392 out of 400. Miss Diksha P of 4B has secured 392 out of 400. Master Kavin J of 4C has secured 392 out of 400. Miss Kavya Darshini of 4C has secured 392 out of 400. Master Nadine of 4D has secured 392 out of 400. Miss Kabiksha of 4D has secured 392 out of 400. Miss Reya P. Manonan of 4D has secured 392 out of 400. Master Mohanish of 4A has secured 390 out of 400. Master Pranav Magesh of 4A has secured 390 out of 400. Master Amarish of 4B has secured 390 out of 400. Miss Naureen of 4C has secured 390 out of 400. Master Kanish of 4D has secured 390 out of 400. Miss Harini M of 4D has secured 390 out of 400. Master Lohit K of 4E has secured 390 out of 400. Miss Clariet Rina Charles of 4E has secured 390 out of 400. Master Sugant of 4B has secured 388 out of 400. Master Vaibhav of 4C has secured 388 out of 400. Master Yogit of 4C has secured 388 out of 400. Miss Ananya K of 4C has secured 388 out of 400. Master Aravindra Jam of 4D has secured 388 out of 400. Miss Hasini of 4D has secured 388 out of 400. Master Dev Mitran V of 4E has secured 388 out of 400. Master Sai Sriram of 4E has secured 388 out of 400. Master Sanjit AS of 4E has secured 388 out of 400. Miss Lenora Maria Shiny of 4E has secured 388 out of 400. Miss Prakriti of 4E has secured 388 out of 400. Master Abhay Krishnan of 4A has secured 386 out of 400. Master Advit Amit Padekar of 4A has secured 386 out of 400. Miss Bhagyashri of 4A has secured 386 out of 400. Miss Takshita of 4B has secured 386 out of 400. Master Ashwin Aditya of 4C has secured 386 out of 400. Master Harish V of 4C has secured 386 out of 400. Master Prem Kumar S of 4C has secured 386 out of 400. Miss Sana M of 4C has secured 386 out of 400. Master Sarvesh S of 4E has secured 386 out of 400. Miss Vaishnavi LS of 4E has secured 386 out of 400. Miss Vaishnavi S of 4C has secured 386 out of 400. Miss Vishnu Lakshmi of 4E has secured 386 out of 400. Master Ashwath of 4A has secured 384 out of 400. Master Shravan Chidambaram of 4B has secured 384 out of 400. Master Darshanesh of 4B has secured 384 out of 400. Master Jai Saravanan of 4B has secured 384 out of 400. Master Sachin of 4D has secured 384 out of 400. Miss Joshika R of 4E has secured 384 out of 400. Master Ayush A of 4A has secured 382 out of 400. Miss Abhinaya S of 4B has secured 382 out of 400. Miss Pavishna S of 4C has secured 382 out of 400. Master Pranav M of 4D has secured 382 out of 400. Master Tashwin of 4D has secured 382 out of 400. Miss Vishwajanani of 4D has secured 382 out of 400. Master Rayan Atharva of 4A has secured 380 out of 400. Master Nikhilesh Ram of 4C has secured 380 out of 400. Miss Raghavi M of 4C has secured 380 out of 400. Master Dhanvant of 4D has secured 380 out of 400. Miss Joshita R of 4E has secured 380 out of 400. Master Harshit DS of 4A has secured 378 out of 400. Miss Rakshita Shri of 4B has secured 378 out of 400. Master Sudesh Sarvesh of 4C has secured 378 out of 400. Miss Jashvika of 4C has secured 378 out of 400. Master Advay Anand of 4D has secured 378 out of 400. Master Sai Harjit of 4D has secured 378 out of 400. Master Sarvesh S of 4D has secured 378 out of 400. Master Shobit of 4D has secured 378 out of 400. Miss Jana Shivani of 4D has secured 378 out of 400. Master Ashwin Raj of 4E has secured 378 out of 400. Miss Isha Maria Jijo of 4A has secured 376 out of 400. Master Logit Shankar of 4B has secured 376 out of 400. Master Kritik Karun of 4B has secured 376 out of 400. Master Raghav KS of 4B has secured 376 out of 400. Miss Mithuna P of 4C has secured 376 out of 400. Master Abhinav Sai of 4D has secured 376 out of 400. Master Kumaran of 4E has secured 376 out of 400. Master Pranish Kaushik of 4E has secured 376 out of 400. Miss Pranati of 4E has secured 376 out of 400. Miss Kenisha Shri of 4B has secured 374 out of 400. Master Santosh KS of 4D has secured 374 out of 400. Miss Rutika Shivani of 4D has secured 374 out of 400. Master Sai Roshan of 4E has secured 374 out of 400. Master Abhinav K of 4A has secured 372 out of 400. Miss Shaktiyashri of 4A has secured 372 out of 400. Master Kanish Kartikeya of 4C has secured 372 out of 400. Master Sarvesh A of 4C has secured 372 out of 400. Miss Kirtana Satish of 4D has secured 372 out of 400. Master Aravind of 4B has secured 370 out of 400. Master Lohit S of 4B has secured 370 out of 400. Master Lokesh K of 4B has secured 370 out of 400. Miss Pratiksha of 4E has secured 370 out of 400. Miss Aditi T of 4C has secured 368 out of 400. Miss Janet Pratiksha of 4C has secured 368 out of 400. Master Harshavardhan of 4D has secured 368 out of 400. Miss Sudiksha MR of 4E has secured 368 out of 400. Master Adrian Samuel of 4C has secured 366 out of 400. Miss Dia of 4E has secured 366 out of 400. Master Vedesh of 4A has secured 364 out of 400. Miss Vartini Reddy of 4C has secured 364 out of 400. Master Badhavan KMP of 4D has secured 364 out of 400. Master Arun Aditya of 4E has secured 364 out of 400. Master Santosh E of 4E has secured 364 out of 400. Miss Durga J of 4B has secured 362 out of 400. Master Siddharth of 4A has secured 360 out of 400. Miss Mitra M of 4A has secured 360 out of 400. Master Prithvijit of 4B has secured 360 out of 400. Miss Kaniksha D of 4B has secured 360 out of 400.
Renisha ma'am is here to announce with pride the name of grade 5 toppers.
Miss Srinidhi Hassan of class 5B has secured first rank with a score of 398 on 400. Miss Litra Darshini of class 5E has secured second rank with a score of 390 on 400. Miss Farhat Vareen of class 5A has secured third rank with a score of 388 on 400. Miss Pranita of class 5B has secured third rank with a score of 388 on 400. Miss Aisha of 5D has secured third rank with a score of 388 on 400. Miss Pratana of class 5B has secured third rank with a score of 388 on 400. Master Yashwant of class 5B has secured 386 on 400. Miss Preeti of class 5E has secured 386 on 400. Miss Nitishri of class 5B has secured 384 on 400. Miss Harini of class 5E has secured 384 on 400. Miss Samyukta of class 5C has secured 382 on 400. Miss Ramchetty Gopika Prasanna of class 5B has secured 380 on 400. Miss Vismaya V. Nair of class 5A has secured 378 on 400. Miss Tanya Shri of class 5C has secured 378 on 400. Master Jonah Habakuk of class 5E has secured 378 on 400. Master Manaswin of class 5C has secured 374 on 400. Master Rahul of 5C has secured 374 on 400. Master Prathmesh of class 5D has secured 374 on 400. Master Akshantala Rishi of class 5B has secured 372 on 400. Master Abid Radhir of class 5C has secured 372 on 400. Miss Aishwarya of class 5C has secured 372 on 400. Miss Priyanka of class 5C has secured 372 on 400. Miss Ruvantika of class 5D has secured 372 on 400. Master Avinash of class 5E has secured 372 on 400. Master Mugilan of class 5E has secured 370 on 400. Miss Ritika of class 5C has secured 368 on 400. Miss Charumati of class 5E has secured 368 on 400. Master Ayan Bhattabial of class 5B has secured 366 on 400. Master Erwin Raj of class 5D has secured 366 on 400. Master Leonin of class 5D has secured 366 on 400. Miss Vedashri of class 5D has secured 364 on 400. Miss Tanvika of class 5A has secured 362 on 400. Master Parvesh of class 5D has secured 362 on 400. Miss Hasika of class 5A has secured 360 on 400. Miss Michela Sparshana of Class 5D has secured 360 on 400. Master Dikshitan of Class 5E has secured 360 on 400. Master Tejaswin of Class 5E has secured 360 on 400. Miss Keertanashri of 5E has secured 360 on 400. Thank you.
With deep pride and joy, I congratulate each and every student who has been appreciated here today. I would maintain that thanks are the highest form of thought and that gratitude is happiness doubled by wonder. As the end draws near, it is time to show our gratitude to everyone present here. I request Ruvantika of Class 5 to deliver the vote of thanks.
Vote of thanks. The best and beautiful thing in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt by the heart. Thank you is once its prayer among them. I consider it a great privilege to propose a vote of thanks to all the dignitaries who have witnessed it as a memorable and successful event. Today my words are not enough to express it. I thank our respected chairman sir who have blessed us for this momentous occasion. I would like to extend a thanks to our director sir and director ma'am for their support and guidance. Thank you sir and thank you ma'am. To our school heads, we thank you for inspiring us to come with zeal and dedication. Thank you dear heads. Behind every successful event lies the effort of the committed faculty. Thank you teachers for your immense contribution. Finally, it is important that we acknowledge the unconditional love and support given by us for the parents where we stand today in the combination of your hard work and efforts. And we know we can go further with reward confidence. That you will be there to celebrate all our victories. I would like to end my speech with a quote. When we express the gratitude, we must not forget that the highest appreciation is not simply uttering the words, but lived by them. I once again thank you all for your support in making this ceremony a grand success. Thank you.